If you're still paying monthly hosting fees to companies like Bluehost or HostGator, this video could save you thousands of dollars every single year. Imagine hosting unlimited websites, unlimited domains, unlimited bandwidth with full cPanel access and paying just once. Sounds impossible, right? That's exactly what Hostzy claims to do. So let's break it down honestly. Here's the quick verdict. Hostzy is not just another cheap hosting offer. It's a one-time price cloud hosting platform built for marketers, bloggers, affiliates, and business owners who want full control without recurring bills. If you hate monthly fees and want simple, fast hosting, Hostzy is absolutely worth considering. Now, let me show you exactly how it works. Hostzy is a cloud-based web hosting platform that lets you host unlimited websites and domains on high-speed SSD servers for a low one-time price. This is ideal for affiliate marketers, bloggers, SEO professionals, local business owners, freelancers, agency owners, anyone running multiple websites. The biggest problem it solves is simple. Most hosting companies lock you into endless monthly payments and complicated dashboards. Hostzy removes both. No technical skills required, no marketing experience required. Just log in, add your domain, and go live. Once you log in, you land inside a clean, beginner-friendly dashboard. From here, you can add unlimited domains and subdomains, launch websites using full cPanel access, install WordPress with one click, create unlimited email accounts, manage databases, backups, and security settings. Everything is cloud-based, so there's nothing to install. You also get free SSL certificates, automated daily backups, firewall protection, unlimited bandwidth, free website migration if you already have sites elsewhere. Even if you've never hosted a website before, the setup is simple and guided.
Hey, what if you could host unlimited websites or domains on our lightning-fast servers for the next decade for a low one-time price, without paying huge monthly fees or yearly recurring fee forever? So, if you too are looking to boost your website loading speed that ultimately drives more visitors and sales to your offers, Then stay connected to this video for the next 3 minutes. Hi, I'm Jack, and today you're going to discover how you too can host unlimited websites and domains like the market leaders are doing. But before moving ahead, answer these questions. Are you sick and tired of paying huge money to hosting service providers monthly? Are you facing issues with slow website loading that reduces customer experience? Are you willing to keep your site safe from hackers every time? Are you willing to say goodbye to all these problems once and for all? If you're standing there saying yes, I've got some great news for you today. Presenting Hostzy, a brand new website hosting solution that enables you to host unlimited websites, domains at lightning fast speed with blazing fast cloud servers with no additional cost. Now you too can save thousands of dollars monthly and boost your website speed like you always wanted. All you need to do is follow these 3 easy steps. Number 1. Log in and enter domain details. Number 2. Set up and host unlimited websites. Number 3. Boost sales and profits. Just follow these 3 steps and press the accelerator to become financially independent without any third-party dependency. Here are some of the top benefits that you get with Hostzy today. Host unlimited website without any restriction for a low one-time fee. Create unlimited domains and unlimited subdomains. Blazing super fast web hosting and optimized for speed. Free SSL certificate and highly secured hosting. 100% uptime guarantee. Easy to use control panel with one-click WordPress installation. Unlimited bandwidth. Automated daily backup. 100% cloud-based and SSD server helps you get more faster loading speed. Newbie-friendly and easy-to-use software. Manage everything from one central dashboard. 24/7 technical support and tons of other amazing benefits when you grab your copy. I'm sure these benefits would have you mesmerized from tip to toe. Now, the choice is yours. You can waste thousands of dollars on those money-sucking hosting companies that charge monthly, or make the smart choice and choose Hostzy today for hosting unlimited websites like a pro. You are covered with our ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's nothing to worry about at your end. But let me warn you, this is a limited time deal and you'll not be able to get this at such a low price once the launch period gets over. The price you're seeing on the page is at a crazy low discount, and this won't be available ever again. Remember, the price shoots up with every sale, so hit the button below to grab your copy now. Good luck, and I'll see you inside.
Let's quickly cover the upgrades so you know what to expect. OTO1 is Hostzy Pro, priced between $37 and $47. This adds advanced security and performance features like DDoS protection, malware protection, spam protection for email, more SSD storage, faster server processing power, commercial license included. OTO2 is Hostzy Drive, priced between $47 and $67. This gives you 500 gigs to 1 terabyte of secure cloud storage for website backups, files, images, and videos, encrypted sharing and access control. OTO3 is Hostzy Reseller, priced between $147 and $197. This allows you to resell hosting accounts and keep 100% of the profits. All upgrades are optional but useful depending on your goals. If you grab Hostzy through the link below, you'll also receive a massive bonus bundle designed to help you actually make money with your websites. Here are just some of the bonuses included. Bonus 1, WebP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your websites and reduce bounce rate instantly. Bonus 2, Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. Find profitable keywords from Google, YouTube, Amazon, and more. Bonus 3, Lead Book Generator. Turn Facebook leads into email subscribers automatically. Bonus 4, WebP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers inside emails to boost clicks and sales. Bonus 5, Power List Pro. Build your email list using exit and entry pop-ups. Bonus 6, Article Analyzer. Optimize your content for better Google rankings. Bonus 7, Backlinks Warrior. Find high-quality backlinks to rank faster. Bonus 8, Soci Ultima. Drive free traffic from multiple social platforms. Bonus 9, Video Affiliate Plugin. Create video review pages that convert visitors into commissions. Bonus 10, 100 ready-made niche blogs. Launch instant websites with content already included. These bonuses alone are worth far more than the price of Hostzy. And yes, I'll remind you again at the end. Here's the bottom line. If you want unlimited websites, no monthly hosting fees, fast loading speeds, simple setup, full control of your online assets, then Hostzy delivers strong value for the price. This is a limited time launch offer, and the bonuses are only available for a short window. Once the timer hits 0, the bonuses are gone. If you're serious about cutting costs and building websites the smart way, now is the time. Click the link below to lock in Hostzy and secure all bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more honest software reviews. To get Hostzy and all the bonuses mentioned in this video, click the link in the description below. After purchase, your access details and bonus delivery instructions will be sent to your email automatically. Take action now, and I'll see you in the next video.